I just finished a members only video. If you want to go check it out, it's how to find price targets for your crypto. It's a level that's actually, I put that one out for all members. If you're a member of the channel, even a 99-cent member, you can go check that out. I threw that out there. It's a very good tool. Gives you price targets. Shows you how to get them. There's a target for Verasity for the next bull run. Not financial advice, guys, at all, but right around 38 cents. So that's it's about a 75x from here, something like that. Not too shabby. All right, let's take a look at this coin. And that membership, the level 3 membership, is only $14.99 to get the trading videos. All right, there's like 17 videos in there now. So if you want to go check it out, learn how to do this stuff on your own, go get it, man. It's worth 15 bucks, so that's for sure. I got to raise the price sometime here. It's over 7 hours worth of videos in there. So for $14.99, you can learn how to trade in there for sure. All right, let's take a look at this, guys. First off, we had this breakout of this downsloping resistance. All right, this blue line, I think, was a 618 pullback last time we looked at this coin. On a daily, this thing, it just took off. What was this? Wow, 87%. Not too bad. Jeez. So if you had $1,000 in this, you had it up to 1,800. Not too bad. You almost doubled your money just in that one move. All right, this could be a wave 1 and a wave 2 pullback here. Look at all this volume. Tons of volume coming in. 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion. Quite a bit coming in there. If we look where Veracity's at as far as ranking, let's take a look here. And if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that very much. Helps out a lot. Let's look where Veracity's at. Number 306. Let's see here. Look at that market cap, 58 million bucks. Wow, that's the coins you want to be in. Not financial advice, guys. I have to say that because obviously you don't want to get in any trouble or anything, but that's the coins you want to look for, in my opinion. Okay, that's the ones that can give you the 200, 3, 4, 500x. If they come out with some big news in the middle of a bull run, who knows where these things can go. All right, but right now it's ranked 306, $38 million in volume. That's a lot in 24 hours. That's a lot. That's almost, the last video I did, it had more volume than market cap. That's incredible. See a lot of people jumping in right now. So let's get back to this chart here. All right, if this ends up being a 5-wave up, and you usually have 5 subwaves. All right, like right here. Let me show you. You can see in this move here, you can see there's 5 waves in there. All right, let's see here, right here. I'm sorry. You can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you got 5 subwaves, and that would all be just a wave 1. All right, then you would have an ABC down, then you would start another 5 waves up, and that third wave would be your biggest impulse wave, if that's what it's doing. Okay, now how you get targets for that stuff, let's take the trend based first off. Let's see where this pullback could come to. All right, usually a 618 or 702. All right, down here at 0.00502 is the 618. All right, the 702 is down here at 0.004. Let's say it comes down here. If it does, we'll turn that green. All right, we'll just move this here. That's a 618. We'll turn that blue. All right, so that's your most often 2 areas you get a bounce from. Okay, and this would coincide with, look at the daily RSI. And look at it, it's at the top. All right, so you're looking for a pullback right here, obviously. All right, that's that big red candle right here. We're down 16% right now. All right, I would be thinking, if I was looking at this and charting it myself, all right, I would probably go into the lower time frames and be looking for an ABC. All right, watching for a bottom on here, you're going to have an A leg down, a B leg up, and then a C leg down. Okay, that's how an ABC works. If that's what it does, all right. Nothing's guaranteed in anything, all right. You know, if you put your fib on here, if this thing, for instance, all right, if we get this ABC in here, let's take a look. Oh, there it is. If this A leg comes down, hits here, all right, usually comes up to a 618 or 702. That'd be a great place right there because you got resistance. Okay, then you take top of your A wave, put it on top of your B, and that gives you your target for your C leg. All right, that would put this thing a little bit deeper. So this A leg might not come down as deep. All right, might end up being, you know, something like that. 702. Pull it down on top. Yeah, that looks maybe about right. All right, would that make sense with the RSIs? We got the 4 hour on the floor, looking like it wants to push up. We got the 8 hour. 8 hours just about corrected. All right, so if you get a push back up here at 0.006, right around there, 6.5, 0.0064, that's your blue and green. That's usually where a B wave will come to, and then you'll have your drop down, your C leg. Okay, so could end up being something like, let me get it down here, right here, A, B, C. All right, not guaranteed, like I said, guys. Don't this is not financial advice. This is what I would be looking for. All right, then that would be your wave 2 down. All right, so this is how this thing would end up looking. You would have a wave 1, 2. Your wave 3 is your longest wave. I don't got room on here. 4, 5. Hold on one second. Let me get this. Let's just move the RSIs off there. All right, so your wave 3 would be your longest. It's hard to say where it'll go, okay, but it would be something like that. If it's doing a 5 wave up, where's our weekly RSI at? Beautiful, just starting up, okay. So what we would be looking for here is more than likely you'd take your move from here, usually a 618 or 702. If it breaks through that, it's going to go higher. All right, you put your fib on here. We would be looking at the 618 target would be 0.0086, and the 702 target would be 0.0092. If it busts through them areas, then this thing's probably going to go higher. All right, right now it just went up past. Let me get that off there. Yeah, it wicked up through the 382. I would say, you know, as soon as this correction is over, I think this thing's definitely going to be heading higher. So that's why you got all this volume coming in. This is on the weekly, 12.89 billion, 6 billion. You know, pretty big volume here. So there's a lot of people that see this breakout. Traders. All right, they're obviously going long right here. So, all right, guys, Verasity looks fine to me right now. So, I believe Bitcoin always has something to do with it. Bitcoin's down 351 bucks, but Bitcoin is looking pretty decent here. Had a push up, it broke resistance here. Where's my other chart? Apologize, Wi-Fi. I go out in my garage, my little office area out here, and do my videos so I don't drive my wife crazy. But anyway, Bitcoin is looking pretty decent, so I believe that's going to back up this breakout for Verasity. All right, guys, thank you very, very much. I hope you have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.